Hello guys, welcome back to another session of the Cisco switch implementation class. What triggered me or what triggered EABIT services to do this tutorial? The answer to the question is I found this requirement on job placement website or job searching website, Job Web Ghana, and then the requirement they need for a network guy to be employed is knowing how to maintain switches, create VLANs, VPNs, and that stuff. And the main part of this trigger me creating of what? VLANs. This is very, very important in networking and implementation for switches. These are the basic needs, and and keep in mind that in the advanced session you know how to create VPNs in your own organization and include Python script in the Cisco command. Okay, so at the end of this course, students will be able to lay out or construct the switches and other stuff, and then assign IP to the switch and make it work, and then you know how to configure the terminal, the real world skills. Keep in mind, this is the real world skills you are learning. This is what you are going to do in an industry firm or industrial firm, and then I am super passionate about see you becoming an expert. So thank you for watching this.